Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A10 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone, so tap on power key and select power off, tap on it one more time to switch it off. Once it's turned off, simply tap on power key all together with volume up key and hold both keys all together until you see the Galaxy logo. Now you can leave it and wait until you see the Android logo. And now we are in a recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using volume up and down keys, and for selection use power. So all we have to do is to find wipe cache partition. Here it is, and then tap on power key. Confirm that you would like to do it by selecting yes. And that would be all. Now we can reboot system now as the cache wipe complete. And that's it. As you can see, the wipe cache complete, and you can use the device in a normal way now. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.